Welcome back to my channel of Strong Funda. In today's video, we are again going to continue the deep thinking question, and I can see you guys, you people are having a kind of interest in solving this type of tough question. And basically the thing is that if you're going to solve this kind of tough question, your thinking power will increase a lot. Okay, so without wasting a time, let's continue the series and read out the question again. Okay, so what this question is saying, find the altitude of the side AC of triangle with the side AB equal to 20. Okay, has been given as 20 and AC has been given 20 and BC is equal to 30. Okay, so basically this is an isosceles triangle. So I will just want to tell you what is the isosceles triangle. A triangle whose two sides are equal. So you can see that 20 and 20 both are the side, and this is an equal. And isosceles is triangle is having the property, if you're going to draw a particular perpendicular from the vertex, it is going to draw, this is the perpendicular, it is going to bisect the opposite sides, and it is also bisecting the angle. Okay. So what is saying that I need to find out this length. Okay, so what my approach would be, my approach is that if my triangle has been given like this, ABC, if I rotate this triangle and take like BCA, I mean to say that my area will always be constant. So whatever the area of this, if I tilt it like this, the area will remain constant. So if the area remain constant, so I can find out that particular area, and if I know the area, then I can find out the altitude. This is my approach would be. So I have told you the basic approach, so I request you guys, whosoever has got the, I will say that idea, please pause this video and try to find out the solution of its own. If he will be able, then I will say that okay, your thinking power has been increased, or you are a good intelligent guy or girl. Okay, so I'll just continue this question. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to draw a perpendicular from the opposite vertex named as A. Okay, so I've told you the basic property of triangle. It is going to bisect it. So bisect means the 30 is going to be get divided into two parts. So 15 is over here, 15 is over here. Okay, I hope that this is clear to you. Okay, now what I can do is that this is 20, this is 15. I can apply the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so what would be the Pythagoras theorem? AB square is equal to, let's say this point is D, AD square plus BD square. I hope there is no issue. So quickly solve it. So I'm just directly going to solve it. 20 square is equal to, I need to find out the length of this, and BD square is 15 square. So basically 400 minus 225, 15 square is equal to this. I'm not doing anything, just this is the basic 175. AD square is equal to 175, and since this is a square, can I make it some multiple of this? 5 3 25, 5 25. This is a AD square. Can I write it like this? Fine. And I think this is very basic, but you guys can do it. This is my basic approach, but I do it very fast. Just one for the demonstration, I can do it. Okay, so AD is equal to 5 root 7. This is the perpendicular. So what is the area of this triangle? Half base is 30, altitude at 5 root 7. Okay, now if I consider this base 20 as a base, then this would be the perpendicular. So for the reference of that base, I can write half, base is my 20, and I need to find out the altitude. Let's give the name as A. Okay, and I told you, if I take like from this side, and if I'm viewing the triangle from this side, my triangle's area would always be constant, correct? Because the figure is fixed. I can rotate in any side. My triangle area would be always constant. So this is a very powerful trick, guys. Please do listen, and please do take care this thing very carefully, that if the area is constant, then I can equate these two equation. I will say that these two figure. So if I equate these two things, this will be get cancelled. Okay, so can I write like 20 is equal to 35 root 7? So area would be 3 5 is 15 by 2 root 7, and that would be equal to 7.5 root 7. Okay, so my approach is that area would always be constant, doesn't matter from which side you are viewing. Let's check it out if this would be the answer. Yeah, this is the answer we'll given. Okay guys, this is my basic approach, and I use this approach to find out lots of tricky problems. So first thing is that if you have noticed in my previous video that I used to find out the angle, but since angle is not been given, that I'll then try to find out the new approach. Then my approach would be the area of the triangle will always be constant. So I hope guys you have like this approach, and if you do like it, please like this video. Please do subscribe my channel. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Thanks a lot. Bye.